All right, guys, it's Father's Day here in Mexico. Today's Father's Day. We are here at the market. Mercy said, if you haven't been to this market in Merida, then you haven't been to Merida. She used to come here as a little girl. There she is in line up there.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a
This place is packed, everybody. There is so much going on here. It is crazy. I'll give you a little peek around. Basically, we're going to be eating some cochinita again and some other things with the family today. All right, we got our first little plate of fixins here. Looks like some habanero pepper, some chopped onion, it's a limon. Pretty much a staple with everything you get here. Get some lime wedges, some looks like chives on this one. I've never seen the chives before come out. Of course, a little bit of habanero. We're gonna see what else. I think he's getting some soup. All right, Mercy's back. She's got some cochinita sandwiches. She said it's the best in town, so we'll find that out in just a minute. All right, Gabo's got him one here. Mercy's brothers are joining us today. Oh, a little pouch of habanero sauce. Oh, just rip right into it, Gabo. Burn that mouth.
He's a little savage.
Yeah, he's just taking it all in. All right, cochinita time. All right, bring on the cochinita. See what that looks like. I honestly don't need a plate. Oh, that's a lot of meat in there. Oh yeah, that looks very good. Very good. Gotta have a little chili. Oh, there you go. Now you got your plate. You don't want a plate?
No, my food is different.
What did you get?
I'm getting mondongo a la andaluza.
Oh no.
It's something different. It's with the
stomach?
Yeah. Yeah,
tripe?
Yeah.
So you got some tripe. Is it a soup?
Yes.
All right, so you got a soup.
You see the one?
Yeah, I saw some people with some soups. Here we go. Got a little habanero sauce, pepper on there.
After this.
I might have to run after this. I got some bread coming in, some tortillas. I think everybody else is having soup.
Yeah, some kind of.
I'll take a taste of it, but I'm partial to these cochinitas. All these people here are in line for this one spot right here, Taqueria La Puta. They have the cochinita, I guess, that everybody's wanting. You can see they are just slapping them together as quick as they can up here. Got to get the line down. All right, here we go. Cochinita time. I'll tell you if it's the best ever.
That's what they say.
Has a really good flavor. Yep, you can tell they seasoned it a little differently. You want to try? You said. Oh look, the onions. We got enough cebolla here for 14 of these. Oh yeah, these onions makes it even better. Everybody's getting some white onions here.
Very good.
Extra.
Even better.
Yeah. That's what does it. Oh yeah, load me up. One more. That'll do it. That'll do it. All right, we got some soup going on here. Chocolomo, huh?
Chocolomo.
So that's liver?
No, it's beef.
Oh, that's beef. Okay, I thought you said it was liver. Hey, another brother just showed up. Freddie's here.
Una media más.
We got some more soup here. This is what you got?
This is mondongo.
This is mondongo?
A la andaluza.
Al-Andalusa.
Yeah, because it has, what is it called?
Chickpeas, yeah. Garbanzo beans.
Garbanzo beans.
Little potato. What's this, pork or beef? Pork.
That's beef.
That's beef.
It's the skin.
Oh, that's the skin.
I know.
Wow, look at that.
I mean, probably you guys like, what? It's very good. It's very
I'm sure it's very tasty. So how is it?
Very good.
You try already?
Oh yeah.
All the different soups here.
Nothing healthy, but it's so good.
You're just tearing it up.
Yeah.
Shredding it. A lot of preparation for your soup here. Mercy didn't even get into it yet. She's just shredding it all up. Just dipping the bread. It is pretty tasty. Uh-oh, she got a big old piece of skin here. Take that.
Okay, this time.
There we go. All right, we were able to get 2 tables put together here. Our group got bigger, so we were able to spread it out a little bit more. That line has not gotten any shorter for this cochinita, that's for sure. Now the difference in this cochinita and the one at the Progresso Market is this is like double meat compared to that one. This is about at least double the meat, and it has a different flavor as well. But this is a lot of cochinita on this piece of bread right here, guys. I'm gonna double up on the onions though. I gotta do more onions. Getting a little onion. There we go.
It's a lot of commotion over here because, you know, the market, the music.
There. Yeah, there's a lot of music, a lot of going on there. So you took it out of the soup bowl and plated it up and chopped it all up. I guess there's a method to it. Got a gentleman over here playing guitar. A lot going on in here. All right, so what was the name of this market again?
Santiago, Mercado de Santiago.
Santiago Market.
Yes.
Right? So we had a great meal here, spent it with some family here on Father's Day. We only got a couple of days left before we leave. So we're gonna enjoy the beach for another day and fly on out to LA. All right, guys. All right, everybody, we finished at the market and we're over here at Freddie's house, Mercy's brother. I'm gonna switch the camera around here and the whole family's here. It's Father's Day. So Freddie's getting a Father's Day. Hi. Happy Father's Day from all of his kids here. I don't know if everybody's here, but.
No, that, okay.
Oh yeah, Natty just left.
No, it's feeding the baby.
Oh, she's feeding.
Yeah, she's in the car.
Anyway, y'all met Natty on the last few videos ago at the beach. She came to see us, and here she's back again, but she's feeding the baby.
She's feeding the baby. So that my brother Freddie.
Yep.
His daughter Mercy.
Another Mercy.
No, yeah, she's gonna carry all my goodies.
How's that?
Because she has my name.
Oh, just because she has your name. All right.
Hi, my name is Freddy.
There's Freddie.
Hey, happy
Father's Day.
Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.
Danny is his niece. Felina is the mother. Is sister of my sister-in-law, Gabby. And this is Anthony, my Mercy's boyfriend.
Future husband?
No.
What? Why not? That's not bad, right?
Yeah, but not yet.
Oh, don't let the secret
They're
out.
friends. They're
Oh,
friends.
just good friends. Don't let out any secrets, like I know anything. All right, guys, thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for all your kind comments. Thanks for hanging in there during our travels away from the Philippines. A lot of you guys I know enjoy it, but many of you don't. But it's understood. You're forgiven.
Say bye, everybody.
All right, we'll see you on the next video, guys. I'll turn around here. Say goodbye, everybody.
See ya. Oh, hold on.
Oh, the doggy.
You know Nati?
Yeah.
Nati is my niece, is the other daughter, my brother Freddie. She's the one has the restaurant,
Yeah.
Pink, Menta y Rosa. So this is Rosa.
Oh, they named the doggies after the restaurant. Or
And
the
this
restaurant
is
after the
Menta.
doggies.
Menta.
So were the doggies already named that and then they named the restaurant? Or they named the dogs after the restaurant?
At the same time. At the
Really?
same- ¿Quiénes fueron primero, los perritos?
Who came first, the dogs or the
The
restaurant?
restaurant first.
Oh, and then they got the
And then they
dogs.
got the dogs, and this is Rosa, and this
Oh,
is
Rosa and Menta.
And that's your best friend now.
And that's my best friend, this gato. This big fat gato. That's the fattest gato I've ever seen. I said, is that cat pregnant? Nope, just fat.
She likes to eat Mexican food.
Me too. All right, guys, see you on the next one.